Hello everyone and welcome to the second part of the train journey. The train is going to be coming from Aberdeen, which will be bound for London King's Cross. I'll be taking the HST at 1444 LNER service to London's King's Cross. This is the second time I'll be taking an HST. Unfortunately, it won't be an Azuma or a 225 as it does not feature at Aberdeen at all. I mean, obviously the Azuma hasn't actually gone to Aberdeen just yet, but it will be Aberdeen bound to London via the Azuma. But that's going to happen in the next couple of years. Or probably it may start next year, you never know. But like I said to you before, it's going to take process and time for it to happen. But right now, you get to enjoy the fabulous HST that saved the British Rail back in the 1970s to the 80s. It's incredible, isn't it? Sit back, relax, and this is the train journey from Edinburgh Waverley to London King's Cross. Enjoy. That's right. So we're here on first class. Some of you guys are thinking, hang on a minute, you didn't order first class on the way back. Well, we want to upgrade to first class because it's going to be a 6-hour journey from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. So right now it's around 2:38 at the moment, and we will be leaving at 2:44, and eventually we will see it going past by. To my left, not sure if it's to your right, there is a Virgin Trains West Coast. I can't even speak properly. Virgin Trains West Coast service to London Euston, which will take the West Coast route. Even though the Edinburgh is the terminus for the East Coast Main Line, luckily, surprisingly, it does serve the East Coast Main Line branch for Virgin Trains West Coast. Sadly, Virgin Trains is going to be going away, and the first group is taking over. I think it's in November. Sad days for Virgin. I really love Virgin Trains. I mean, the first time I've been on the Virgin train was to Coventry, which was really exciting. So right now we are a few moments away from leaving Edinburgh, going back to London King's Cross.
Route Carlisle due to planned and scheduled engineering works on the East Coast Main Line. For those of you planning your further journeys, next 3 South.
Yeah.
Video to go to the lamp.
It's your fault. I wanted them. Well, here. What's that? All my biscuits basically on the floor. Because I didn't want them, so she kicked them off. So if you're going to, like... No.
At Darlington. Darlington very shortly.
Okay folks, upon arriving to York, I'm going to be going to sleep during the train journey video. Now as you may probably know that after York, it's a non-stop service to London King's Cross. I won't be awake, but I might probably have a bit of cup of tea. However, I will not be filming through the journey from York to London King's Cross. So this is going to be the final time that you're going to be seeing York, and then we will jump to King's Cross station. In a few moments we'll be arriving at London King's Cross. So here we are at my brother's apartment, but I wanted to say thank you as always for watching this special edition of the train journey from London to Edinburgh on the first part, and the second part Edinburgh to London on this 2-part train journey videos. I have to tell you, and this has been the very first time that I get to film outside the GWR, the cross country, and the Chiltern Railway network. I have never thought of doing this, and I thought this was not going to work and this was never going to happen, but it finally happened, guys. I have never thought of doing any train journey videos like this in my entire life. Beyond that, I will be honest that during this train journey videos, I wanted to do this completely outside the GWR, the Chiltern Railways, as well as the cross-country network all over. So this is the very first different train company filming on this train journey episode. I will have to say, in this epic journey of going to Scotland has been an absolute fab. I have enjoyed looking around Scotland. I have explored the entire part of Edinburgh. I mean, I haven't get to ride on the tram, but in that case, I will eventually do. But I have been planning to go back to Scotland for next year in the summer, which I really hope this happens anyways. And I haven't been to Glasgow just yet, but that will happen next year, of course, hopefully by then. Thank you very much once again for watching this special episode. I will leave you with this special montage of the train journey where we start from London to Edinburgh and ending it with Edinburgh to London. Goodbye.